In this short and basic video, I will show you how to enable thumbnail previews in Windows 11. So it's easy way to enable thumbnail preview. Click on these three dots, options. Here you will see the view tab. Click on it and check this box. In case it's selected, so unselect this box. If you select this one, so only icons appear like this one. To enable and turn on thumbnail preview, uncheck this first option, always show icons, never thumbnails. So uncheck and apply, then click on OK. That's it. Thanks for watching and share, like and subscribe this channel.